Know your liver. Liver is the largest gland and one of the 5 vital organs in human body. Our liver has many important functions to perform. The major functions of a healthy liver are processing of food digested from the intestine, manufacturing bile which is essential for digestion, metabolizing of drugs and destroying of toxins, fighting infections in the body, breaking down food components for providing energy for body functions, and making protein and enzymes responsible for blood clotting and repairing the damaged tissues. Any derailment in liver function need to be addressed immediately to avoid long-term damage which may be potentially fatal. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. What causes liver diseases? Viral hepatitis. Hepatitis A spreads through contaminated food and water. Hepatitis B spreads through bodily fluids such as blood and semen. Hepatitis C spreads through contact with blood from someone with hepatitis C. Hepatitis D develops in people with hepatitis B. It cannot be contracted on its own. And hepatitis E is caused by drinking contaminated water. CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited, your healthcare consultant in India. Fatty buildup in liver can cause fatty liver diseases. They are generally of two types. Alcoholic fatty liver disease is caused because of heavy alcohol or liquor consumption. The exact cause of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is still unknown. If not treated in time, both forms can cause irreversible liver damage like cirrhosis and liver failure. Certain lifestyle changes and diet modification can improve symptoms and reduce the complications. Autoimmune disorders. There are 3 main autoimmune disorders where one's own inherent defense mechanism start destroying one's body cells, including liver cells. That includes autoimmune hepatitis. One's own immune system start attacking the liver cells, causing inflammation of the liver. If not treated in time, it may cause cirrhosis and liver failure. Primary sclerosing cholangitis. The inflammatory condition causes gradual damage to your bile ducts. They eventually become blocked, causing bile to build up in your liver. And primary biliary cirrhosis. Buildup of bile due to damage to the bile duct. If not treated in time, may cause cirrhosis and liver failure. Genetic factors. Many genetic conditions which one acquires from one's parents may cause liver diseases. Hemochromatosis causes one's body to store more iron than it needs. The iron remains in one's organs, including the liver. This can lead to damage over a long period of time if not managed. Wilson's disease causes one's liver to absorb copper instead of releasing it into the bile ducts. Eventually, liver may become too damaged to store more copper allowing it to travel through the bloodstream and damage other parts of the body, that is including the brain. Alpha-1 antitrypsin or AT deficiency occurs when one's liver cannot make enough alpha-1 antitrypsin, a protein that helps in preventing enzyme breakdowns throughout our body. The condition can cause lung disease as well as liver disease. There is no cure, but treatments can help. Benign tumors. Liver is made up of several different types of cells. So many types of tumors can form there. Some of these are benign or non-cancerous tumors. The major types of non-cancerous liver tumors are hemangioma, hepatic adenoma, focal nodular hyperplasia, liver cyst, lipoma, fibroma, and leiomyoma. Treatment of benign liver tumor is different from that of the liver cancers. Causes of liver diseases and liver cancer. Liver cells may also develop cancer as a result of untreated medical conditions like chronic viral hepatitis B and hepatitis C, alcohol abuse, hemochromatosis, and cirrhosis. Liver cancers may be classified as primary liver cancer and secondary or metastatic liver cancer, depending on their place of origin. Primary liver cancers are those cancers which originate in the cell of the liver. They may be further classified as hepatocellular carcinoma or HCC, and cholangiocarcinoma, that is the cancer that originates from the cells of the bile duct. Secondary liver cancer or metastatic liver cancer are those cancers which originate in other parts but metastasizes to liver. Cancers originating in breast, lung and colon can get metastasized to liver and are called grade 4 metastatic cancer. Cirrhosis and liver failure. Liver cirrhosis is caused by a long-term damage to liver. It happens when the normal cells of liver are replaced by scar tissues and the condition is irreversible. The disease develops slowly over months or years. The scarring is most often caused by long-term exposure to toxins such as alcohol or viral infections. Liver failure occurs either suddenly, that is acute, or gradually, that is chronic. Causes include a reaction to medication, high doses of acetaminophen or paracetamol, hepatitis infection, alcohol abuse, and advanced fatty liver. People with liver failure usually have jaundice, ascites, hepatic encephalopathy, and generally failing health. Care, your healthcare consultant from India, CMCS Health. In the first of this series about liver care, we have discussed about the causes of liver diseases. In future videos, we will discuss about the diagnosis and treatments for liver diseases. You can send your queries related to liver diseases on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971 986258.